Hi, this is Melissa from A to Disney. Happy Thanksgiving week. Today we're going to be working on a kids craft. We have these cute Mickey and Minnie Pilgrim crafts for you to do today. You can find these crafts at family.disney.com and we'll leave a link in the description. With me today I have Benson and Kaden, and they're going to be helping me out. So let's get coloring. For our version of the craft, we made it black and white so our kids could color it. We're all finished coloring, so now we're going to cut out the pieces. Don't cut on the dotted line, just cut around the outside of the figures. Once you've finished cutting out all your pieces, fold along the dotted lines and glue the A tab to the inside of the design. And we're all done. If you have a hard time making the arm stick, go ahead and use double-sided tape. And for Minnie, in order for her to stand up, you need her skirt to be folded out. If you're interested in more Disney Thanksgiving crafts, you can go to family.disney.com. Another thing I found was a placemat that was an activity for the kids to do while they're waiting for Thanksgiving dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this craft. Let us know in the comments what you think, and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And remember, whether at home or at the park, make every day a Disney day.